How to use Discord on phone while playing games. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Discord on your phone while playing games. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. First of all, open the Discord app on your mobile phone. Once you're inside the app, simply tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner. After this, you'll see your account settings page. Now, tap on the settings icon at the top right to access more options. Here you will see different sections like account settings, payment settings, app settings, and support. In the app settings section, scroll down and look for voice. Tap on voice, and now you'll be on the voice activity page. On this page, make sure to enable the Enable Mobile Voice Overlay option. This feature allows you to see who's talking, access shortcuts, and use Discord even while using other apps or playing games. Just toggle the switch on and go back. Now, join any voice channel you want. For example, you can tap on Lounge and join the voice channel. Once you join, you'll notice a small floating overlay appearing on your screen. This is the main tool that lets you use Discord while gaming. Now, open any game on your phone, and you'll still see that small, floating circle. So that's how you can easily use Discord on your phone while playing games. That's all for the video.